In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal on Dhgate using the best method possible. If you're new to Dhgate or simply looking for a seamless way to make payments, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and make your online shopping experience as smooth as possible. First, make sure you're on the right website by visiting Dhgate's homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a variety of options, links, and products right at your fingertips. Going through Dhgate for your purchases, especially when buying wholesale products directly from China, can often save you significantly. So, starting from their main site is key. Once you're all set and logged in on Dhgate, your next move is to locate the My Dhgate button. This is typically a centralized place within many online retail sites where you can manage your account details. Clicking My Dhgate will take you directly to your dashboard, providing access to your account information and settings. Now you'll need to move over to your account settings. On this page, you can review and make changes to your personal details and preferences based on what suits your shopping habits best. Many people overlook these settings, but they are crucial for ensuring a personalized and secure shopping experience. Next up is the important step of focusing on your payment verification. On Dhgate, having your payment options properly verified is crucial for smooth transactions, especially when utilizing PayPal. By clicking on this, you initiate the necessary process and confirm that your payment methods are securely linked to your account. Verification processes can vary based on location and account details, but following the on-screen instructions usually guides you easily through. Once your account is set with these prerequisites, you should be ready to make a purchase. By using PayPal as your payment method, you enjoy an added layer of security, minimizing potential risks associated with online transactions, and giving you peace of mind. PayPal acts as an effective intermediary, ensuring that sensitive payment information is not directly shared with the merchant. In summary, by starting at the Dhgate homepage, proceeding to My Dhgate, navigating to Account Settings, and finalizing with Payment Verification, you set yourself up for a streamlined and secure purchasing experience using PayPal. These steps ensure you're not only protecting your personal information, but also maximizing the ease and security associated with your purchases on Dhgate. Thank you for following along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides like this. Until next time, happy shopping and enjoy the convenience and benefits of using PayPal on Dhgate.